Jump provides you with many options for syncing your note over. There are some users that like to update an existing field in their CRM instead of creating a new note and, let's say, associating that note with a contact. For example, in this user's Redtail account, they have an activity and they had in the description field, "Go over retirement plan." Well, after a meeting, this user will want to update the description field from "Go over retirement plan" with the notes that Jump typed out for the user. So whenever the user goes to sync their note over, they'll see an update automation showing here in their top right corner of their meeting page. They can click on the button. You'll see that we can select the activity that we want to update, and then we can tell Jump to overwrite or update the description field. If we chose update or overwrite, that is going to replace what's in the description field. If we chose blend or combine with AI, then it's actually going to mix the two. We're also given the opportunity to see what was in Redtail before the sync, what Jump typed out, and then we can see the blended update. Users can also choose to keep the original content that was in your CRM if you don't want to replace that with whatever Jump wrote out for this field. If you have a preference for what option Jump automatically chooses, whether it's update, blend, or keep original, you can actually tell Jump to set a default option here. To do this, you're going to go to your user settings, you're going to head over to the automations tab, and then you're going to find the automation under the Do This section that shows the destination is your CRM, and the name of the automation will probably say something like Update. Once you've clicked on the automation, you can see that you're given the opportunity to change the update type default from blend to update, or if you want it to default to keep original. But as we went over previously in this video, you can change this before you sync the note over to your CRM.